Good evening. Today I'll be discussing with you Transfer of Property Act questions from the University of Mumbai Law Academy past papers of the fourth year. Transfer of Property Act paper part 1. Question 1. Answer the following. Define charge. A charge under the Transfer of Property Act is a claim on an immovable property to secure payment of a debt. Question 2. Define mortgage. Mortgage is the transfer of interest in an immovable property to secure the payment of a debt. What does attached to the earth mean? Attached to the earth means anything that is rooted to the earth or embedded in the earth. 4. What does attested mean? Attested means just to state that you believe that something is true or something is genuine. So therefore what something that is being attested by the court is said to be verified and said to be can be stated as an evidence in the court. What is proof apprende? Proof apprende is a non-possessionary right that allows someone to take something from another person, such as soil, land, etc. Who is a universal donee? Section 128 deals with the universal donee. It states that a universal donee is such a person who gets the whole property of the donor under a gift. So the person who gets a gift becomes a donee. Who can impose an easement? Subject to other provisions of Section 8 of the lesser may impose on the property leased any easement that does not derogate from the right of the lessee. As such, on the property mortgage, any easement that does not render the security sufficient. The person competent for to transfer. Every person competent to contract and is entitled to transferable property is authorized to dispose of transferable property, not his own, and is competent to transfer the property either wholly or transfer his property partly. Oral transfer. Oral transfer of property is the transfer of property without writing or as allowed by the Transfer of Property Act. What is subrogation? The doctrine of subrogation is outlined in the section 92 of the Transfer of Property Act. This is in this case, this is the process of substituting one person or one thing for another, transferring the same right from the original entity to its substitute. It's called doctrine of subrogation. Thank you.